Welcome to Delhi Public School Sitapur, where excellence is nurtured and aspirations are made a reality. Today we are celebrating the success of our board exam toppers. Let us now meet them and see what they have to say about their success.
Hi, my name is Alvia Wise and I secured 97.4% in my CBSE board examination. My school's supportive environment, my loving teachers, my supportive parents helped me achieve my best.
Hi, my name is Samriddhi Shukla and I secured 95% in my class 10 board exams. Balancing schoolwork and co-curricular activities at DPS Sitapur have helped me in every possible way to succeed. My parents and teachers have always been a constant support. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Asna Shukla. I scored 93.8 in class 10 board examination. Every challenge that I faced was a step towards success, thanks to the encouragement from Delhi Public School Sitapur and from my parents.
Hi, myself Virman said I scored 93.2% in my class 10. I really worked hard. Apart from my hard work, the constant encouragement from my teachers at DPS Sitapur and support from my parents made all the difference. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shreya Mishra and I scored 93.4% in class 12. My parents and teachers have been my biggest motivators and the guidance and support I received at DPS Sitapur made all the difference. Hello everyone, my name is Mahin Naqvi of 12D and I scored 93.2% in my board examination. I would like to thank my respected teachers and parents for always guiding and supporting me. Thank you.
Congrats to all our top students. We are really happy and proud of them. At DPS Sitapur, we'll keep helping all our students achieve their best.